All right, everybody, how are you doing? My name is Nicholas Lau from Dallas, Texas. I'm an Emerald with B. I am joined today by the Sniper Queen herself, Rashila Smith from Chicago, Illinois. We've got an excellent presentation for you today. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and get right into that. So if you can see my screen, just drop a 1 in the chat. I just want to make sure you can see me, hear me, everything's good. Let me. All right, we got a 1, and that's good enough. We're gonna get started. That's all we need is 1, 1. All right, again, this is getting started trading. All right, so in this presentation, here's what we'll cover: why Forex trading. So the purpose of this presentation is not only to teach you all how to get started, but also to help you explain it to other people, for those of you that want to refer people, those of you that want to grow a team. So it'll give you a little bit of education and a little bit of how to get started. So why Forex trading, why FinTech, how to set up your broker trading account, how to set up your MetaTrader 4 app, how to use our apps, Shift, Titan, what is binary trading, how to use the NFX app, and how to set up your binary account and take a trade. So there's 2 things that you can have happen by joining us. You can either see what life is with trading, and you could think about what was life without trading. So without trading, most ways to supplement your income require other people. So this happened to me personally. I've done different businesses all my life. I've done traditional restaurant businesses. I've done real estate. I've done e-commerce. I've done email marketing, whatever the case may be. There always had to be somebody on the other end of that transaction for me to make a commission, make a sale. But with trading, you have a way to supplement your income without anyone else. It's just you and the charts. You can make money when you want, how you want. Nobody has to know about it. It's nice to have that one tool in your pocket where you can make money and not have to depend on anybody. Without trading, you're either stuck at your job without a plan, or the plan could be costly. But with trading, you could start with a minimal capital. We have people on our team from all over the world in developing countries. And the good thing about the Forex market, you can start with as little as you want. It just depends on how you do your risk management. And in certain countries, it doesn't take as much to live a comfortable life. There's countries where $10 a day makes a huge difference. Without trading, most other income options do not have good flexibility and freedom. But with trading, time freedom, markets are open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week in Forex, 7 days a week in crypto. You make your schedule. You can even travel. You can trade. You can take your business with you. You could share the business with other people. You could trade anywhere you have an internet connection. So those are some really awesome things that involve trading. All right, so what is FinTech, financial tech, defined? FinTech are technologies, tools, platforms that assist and improve financial transactions and services. That's what we do here at B. That's what the Islam Brothers specialize in, giving us the tools and technology that we need to do financial transactions right there on our phone. A little bit of a brief history on FinTech. In 1838, the telegraph was made. So if you remember, in ships, they used to send each other messages, SOS, they'll send these things. That was like the very first form of text messaging. 1950 came, credit cards started to come out. The Diners Club, then American Express, MasterCard, Visa, all started to come out. 1982, Trade Plus was the first online brokerage. People didn't think, in 1982, did we have the internet? We did in some forms. And, that was the first financial brokerage that was actually online. 2009, that was the first version of Bitcoin. Anybody that bought Bitcoin then, or in 2010, if you bought $1,000 worth of Bitcoin then, you'd be sitting at over $100 million right now. So it's just amazing what has happened in the financial sector. 2013, Google Pay was first launched, followed by Apple Pay, and those have really helped consumer transactions. All right, so what I am going to do right now is introduce you to a leader on this team that has been really helping people earn a lot of money in the financial markets, especially here at B. She's the Sniper Queen. She helps with trading and scalping. A lot of people reach out to her, and she's just an amazing asset to have on this team. So she's going to show you how to get your trading account set up. I'm going to go through a few slides, then she's going to show you the B apps and exactly how they work. So let me just go through this. First of all, Rashila, are you there? All right, I think you might be muted.
I'm here. Can you hear me?
All right, perfect.
Okay.
So I'm going to go ahead and pass it off to you. But everybody, if you're brand new to this, if you haven't downloaded MetaTrader 4 on your smartphone, first thing you want to do. Most of you probably have it done, but if not, that's the logo. That's what you want to look for in your Google Play and App Store.
All right.
All right. So go ahead, Rashila. If you want to, show them how to look for a broker, we can do that. And then we just go from there.
Well, I mean, the first thing, guys, just download the MetaTrader 4 app, then go here to Google after you do that, because everybody has a different preference as far as broker. So you can do the research on your own and figure out what broker works for you. We're not allowed to do recommendations in that regards. So go ahead and just look for brokers. There's regulated, there's unregulated, but just find the one that works best for you, okay? And then next screen. Okay, so for iPhone users and Android, so we have, once you log into your MetaTrader, what you want to do is click down at the bottom right there in the iPhone, and then you want to click new accounts. And then once you click new accounts, let me go ahead and share my screen momentarily. Can I do that? Or
yeah, go ahead.
I'll just walk you through really quick, guys. Okay. So what you want to do is click settings right here. And then what you want to do is click demo. I actually just created one right now for this call, but you want to click right here where it says new accounts. After that, you want to click open a demo account. And then depending on your type of broker, you just select the broker. You could just type right here in this search bar the name of the broker you're looking for, and it should pop it up just like it did right here. And then you select the one you want. And then it's going to give you guys your information here, like your name, phone number, and email address. And then right here where it says deposit, you can pretty much, set your demo account to however much money you want to set it up to. It's just fake money anyway. So once you do that, go back, make sure your leverage is set at 1 to 500. Okay. And then after that, you just go to the top and click register. And from there, you're good to go. Go ahead and screenshot that so you can have a copy for later on. And then you're done. Now you have set up your demo account in MetaTrader. I don't have an Android, but there are videos to show you how to do that. So we'll get you set up with that. Also right here, sorry, somebody was coming in. You have the currency pairs. So right here at the top on the right-hand side with the plus sign, that's where you add everything you want to make money off of. So the Forex crosses, the cryptos, metals, energy, indexes, which is what I love. I love German 30, but primarily NAS 100, and all that. So that's where you go to find that. If you have some pairs that's on this screen, on this quote screen that you don't want, go to the top where you see that little pen and just delete the pair that you want to delete off your quote screen, okay? And then at the top on the right, click the delete, and then you're good to go, okay? So that's how you set up your demo account, okay? What was the next screen of the slides? Because I don't have them memorized.
And yeah, let me just go over that. All right, everybody,
Yep.
if you could see my screen. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, Shift, thank you. So I'm gonna just roll from here. So the Shift app, guys, Shift app is so amazing, guys. I don't know if you saw what happened over the course of July, but the Shift app produced 2,424 pips. Guys, that's a lot of points. And if you times that by like $10, $100, like guys, that's a lot of money for the whole month of July. It says 37 trades won, 50 total trades, and 74%. That's a great ratio. So real quick, I'm gonna show you quickly how to copy and paste a trade alert, and then we'll move on to the next app. So let me share my screen. Okay, Shift app. I'm sorry about this. All these pop-ups. I meant to take that off. 1 second. Sorry, guys. Okay. Shift. So here's a trade alert that came out this morning at 9:16 a.m. This is GBP JPY. I really love this currency pair because to me, this currency pair kind of moves like an indice, like US 30 or S&P 500. So I like this pair. So right here where it says entry, make sure you enter at that point where it says enter at 15, I'm sorry, 152.88. So of course it says buy because it's in green. Only enter the market, guys, at the location where it says entry, okay? Then you want to copy and paste two things. You want to copy and paste the take profit, and you want to copy and paste the stop loss, okay? Now, before you do anything, just read the entire trade alert before you making a move. So right here, it says this is an intraday trade, which means it's gonna take quite a while. And it says the stop loss is 60 pips, so that's pretty a nice little gap for the market to reverse and go back in profit. So let's take a look at this pair real quick. I'll have to add this on. So I go to the quote screen, I'll look for GJ, and then I'll add it. It's right here. Done. So I click the chart. So the trade alert said enter at 152.8. Now I'm looking for that. Well, it already pretty much made that move right here, 152.88. So right now it's already in profit. You could tell us in profit right now from this chart, but also you could tell us in profit right here on the trade alert because it says it's plus 8 points or 8 pips in profit, okay? So out of the 20 pips that it's trying to reach the first take profit, it's already has 8 done, right? So the next thing you wanna do is put in your take profit and stop loss. So now I'm gonna copy my take profit, which is the first one. So I'll go click trade at the top where it says take profit. I'll go ahead and delete this. And now I'm gonna paste from the shift app the take profit. Now I'm gonna flip back over and go enter in my stop loss. So I copy my stop loss. I go back over here to the MetaTrader and I paste in the stop loss. And now I have my parameter set. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is since I'm 8 pips in profit, which is pretty much under 10, I'm gonna go ahead and take the trade and I'm gonna buy by market. And so now I successfully placed the trade. Now, how do you know you placed the trade? Because like right here, you have your stop loss right there. And then if I go to a higher time frame, you should be able to see my take profit at the top in red right here. Okay. Oops. So that's the shift app, guys. So we're waiting for price to move in the direction it needs and we're good to go. So next app.
All right, give me just a second. Where is mine? All right, so that was a shift app. Drop some ones and some fire in the chat for Rashila. She's one of the best in the business at this, and she's even better at this app. So she's now going to tell you about the amazing Titan app. So go ahead, take it away.
I'm just laughing because it's just so funny. I love the Titan app. I mean, not just I love the Titan app, but I love indices altogether. Like, okay, so let me go ahead and share the screen in just a minute. But here's how to use the Titan app. He took the screen down, but I was gonna read to you guys how many
Oh no, that's fine.
points.
I'll bring it back up. There you go.
Thank you. So this is how many points that the Titan app produced: 23,360. Guys, if you times that by $10, that's a lot of money, right? I mean, it's just crazy. It's 81 win ratio. Like it's crazy. This is just absolutely a game changer. And the reason why is I'm going to show you right now. So let me go ahead and share my screen. Thank you, Nicholas.
No problem.
It was a couple things I forgot to show you on Shift app, but I'll show you on the Titan app because they pretty much function the same way. So in addition to the trade alerts here, here's one right now, 8:32 p.m. from yesterday. So all the apps have this feature right here: strategies, leaderboard, mastery. The Titanpedia, what gives you like a lot of dictionary and terms where like if you get on a live session or you hear somebody talking about a term that you don't understand, you can just type that word into this Titanpedia and you'll go ahead and get a chance to kind of like look for, you know, whatever it is that you're trying to learn about. Okay, so over here, let's talk about the leaderboard. Guys, this leaderboard is absolutely amazing. Look at this. This is confirmation that you need to be trading and making money using this app, okay? Because Jennifer, Miss J, she produced from her trades 1,000 points for the month of July herself personally, and she had no losses. She had no points and stop loss, guys. That's crazy. Then, not to skip Ray, but let's look at Justin, because the reason why these are the two that I follow, Miss J and Justin. 499 points gained and then lost 0. The two of those people, or those educators, they're undefeated. So do you think you can make some money off them if you get on the Shift app, right? I mean, on the Titan app, guys, this is crazy. Then Ray, he had 850 and then he lost 382 points. Not bad. But guys, this is absolutely amazing. Now, check this out. Here's the trade ideas right here. Let's go back. Oh, also, here's the masteries. If you really want to learn how to copy and paste and make money off this app, dive into the mastery. The same thing goes for the Shift app. Just go to the bottom, click on mastery, and just go through those videos, and you'll be able to learn how to properly make money off these apps. So let's go back to the trade idea. Let me just go right here to Miss J, German 30. Drop some fires in the chat for the Titan app. Drop some fires in the chat for Miss J. Okay. And the reason why is check this out right here. Here is August 4th, yesterday at 1 a.m. Right? This is the German 30. Okay. So enter the market at 155.90. And look at this. She had 8 take profits to make money off of. And then you had 155.35, which is the stop loss, 55 points. That's not bad at all. Then here you go right here. She actually draws the chart for you to see the move. So now you kind of like have a visual of what the move is before you even decide to take the trade. You can kind of see like, okay, the market is on the uptrend. So we're gonna take this trade for a buy, which is what she has it down for, right? Then she has down, okay, this is an intraday trade, which means this is gonna pretty much last through the session. So okay, let's go over here and check this out on the MetaTrader. I think I gotta add this one too. Index German 30. Okay. It's a little bit messy, but this is the move. I had actually marked up the chart at that time. So let me just zoom out. So this was the entry right here at 155.90. And then price went up and hit like 4 or 5 take profits, but then price came down, which it typically does. But then it went all the way up and hit all targets, guys. This is crazy. Now today, guys, I didn't make money on German 30. I actually made money on Justin Adams on his live session that he also put the alerts inside the app. But listen, it's crazy. So what I like to do is if I see a move, I'll get in and I'll just hold it. And as the market is going up and down, this is pretty much some sauce right here. So just pay attention. As the candle and the price is going up and down, I use that as opportunities to get in for other positions. And so now, like for example, right here, price went down, it went down all the way to here, but then it rose back up, which means the next candle was going to be a bullish candle. And so now I should have got in for several more positions as it went up. And now, boom, more take profits, more profits, period. And that's how I make a lot of money. Today did 3,900 just off a trade alert, just because I got in at the time that he said, and just because I scalped one candle. That was it. Okay. So that's just my secret sauce. You guys can try it if you want to. So that's the Titan app, guys. I absolutely love it. This is my favorite. Here's some notifications here to let you know when there's going to be a live session, when a trade ended, if it hit take profit, or if it's active, or if it's dead, whatever. You know, they give you all of the information on here. Okay, next slide. Thank you. Oh, the next thing I want to show you guys is this. Hold on one second before I want to show you guys shift the masses. Because guys, what's super fun. Oh, I did a boomerang shot. Sorry about that. Just having fun. So, okay. Shift the masses.
Here's the top one.
Thanks. Okay, guys, this Facebook page is great. If you guys aren't a member of this, get on it. I absolutely love it. I mean, this Facebook group page is only like a couple months old, and we already have over 4,000 members. It's amazing. But the point of this page is, guys, is we show success stories of everybody who's having success making money off these apps or just off a live session. So check this out. So Valerie, she me and her got on a call. We was on a call last night. I had her and Lorna and a couple other people. But basically, I was just showing them some stuff. We took a trade from the Titan app from Ray, and boom, she made $600 something. Okay, here's the Pendra. He was able to make some money off gold. Like, where else can you go make money off gold, right? This is just crazy. The Pendra again, Valerie again. Oh, that's that same one. Okay, here's Noah. Easy money, copy, paste, and profit. Almost $300, right? Joy, $190. Oh, here's me this morning. Y'all don't need to see that. But guys, you get it. The point is, like, it's not me just having success off this. It's not just Nick, right? It's thousands of people all over the world posting their success stories and learning this and making money off technology. So this is just simply amazing. I love it. Let me go ahead and give the screen back over to you. What's next?
Well, everybody, Rashila is being very humble. She doesn't want to show you because she was at the salon. She's getting her hair done while she's making money on her phone. She's sitting there making thousands of dollars. Her hair's paid for and everything. So anyways, all right, so I will take over here. So, all right, everybody. So this is the thing. If you're a Gold Prime member, and this will make more sense when I teach you guys about binary, but for those people that are in the Lion's Den and they're Gold Prime members, upgrade your account if you're not, get to Prime, and then you can work with Rashila and her amazing morning scalping sessions and training. So if you want to learn how to scalp Nas and GJ and all those fast moving pairs, Rashila is the one you want to work with. Now you can get the Titan app by itself. Like if you have the bronze package, you could always add on the Titan app, get those trades from Miss J and Ray and Justin Adams, and you could do that. You get the Prime package, you could also work with Rashila as well. So with that said, okay, now what I want to do is talk to you all about NFX, Nitro Forex, binary options trading. So what Rashila just taught you is how to trade Forex and indices, which is trading for targets. You have your stop loss, you have your take profit. When you get into a trade, it can take a matter of minutes, hours, sometimes days if it's a swing trade. But when you do Nitro Forex, you're trading against time rather than targets. Meaning when you get into the trade, you already know before you even enter the trade, what is the most you can win, what is the most you can lose, and you know how long it's going to take. It could be a 2-minute trade, it could be a 5-minute trade, and whatever you risk, you already know getting into it exactly how it's going to be. So it's called money in minutes, 1 to 5 minute trades typically available 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. You could even do the crypto on the weekend. So I'm going to give you a little bit of a sample right here. So this is what it looks like. This is what one binary broker looks like. This is just my demo account. So what I'm going to do here is we're going to take like a 1-minute trade. Okay, I'll show you the app in just a second. I haven't done any research. I don't know what's going on here, but let's go ahead and just buy it and see what happens. Okay, so we enter the trade. Okay, we did a 1-minute trade. It's a fixed time trade. Okay, and I risked $5. Now, if you go over here, you look at EJ, it's paying 81%. That means on a $10 trade, it's going to pay you $8.10. That means if you win the trade, you get your $8.10 plus your $10 back that you risked. Okay, so we typically do 3 to 5 minute trades. On the app, you'll see 2-minute trades as well. Live trading, you'll probably see 3-minute trades. So Let me see what else. You always want it set to turbo because we're doing fast-paced trades here. And when you come down here, you'll see what your entry price is, what your strike price, they call it, the start time, the end time, what your order size is. So what you want to do, you're typically going to use TradingView. You're going to use a 1-minute chart, 3-minute chart, and you're going to take a look at the market and see which way the market is trending. And then you can, get your assessment from there. So what happens is our educators, they do live sessions. They also send trade app signals. So what I'm going to do is just going to log in from my phone so I can show you all the trading app as well. So screen, start broadcast. All right, can you guys see my screen? Just drop a 1 in the chat. Just want to make sure you guys can see my screen. All right, perfect. What is going on here? All right, so this is what the NFX app looks like. What's going to happen if you look at that first trade from Andy? So it's like a 2-minute trade. It tells you right away. So remember when we were on the broker, you switch that from 1 minute to 2 minutes, okay? This was a 1-minute trade. Here's a 2-minute trade. Let's see if there's a 5-minute trade somewhere. There should be. Okay, so all right, so here's a 5-minute trade by Fran. Okay, so to set it at 5 minutes. You know what your currency pair is, the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. It tells you what your entry price is. It also tells you what the current price is. It'll also send you a notification saying that, hey, we're getting close to the entry price. That way, if you're multitasking or doing something else, you hear your little ding go off. It's like, okay, let me go ahead and pull up the charts. We're getting close to the entry price. As soon as it hits the entry price, you hit buy or sell. In this case, you click sell. 5 minutes later, you're either going to win the trade or you're going to lose the trade based on the analysis. As you can see, this one, it was a winning trade. You come over here, you can go look at the leaderboard. You can see that number 1 for the last month is Javed Khan. He's also the director of binary trading for this company, 22 years old, documented number 1 binary trader in the world. You look at number 4 and number 7. Those are our educators that were originally here in the Lion's Den. They did so well that the company offered them positions. As you can see, Chris, 28 wins, Haresh, 17 wins. So if you kind of go look at the weekly, you could see that as well. You come over here to Mastery. You have your basic education on, how to get your app set up, how to take trades, and you look at your past results. You'll see everything fully transparent, wins, loss. You're going to see a lot of cancels, unlike in Forex, because this is a time trade. So they're only going to give it a little while. If it's been like half an hour and it hasn't got to the number, they're going to go ahead and cancel the trade because the market has changed and you don't want to just sit there waiting for a number. All right, so let me go ahead and stop this share. And let me go ahead and share my screen again. All right, so you can see that. Let me just go back to the slides. And like I said, you could trade crypto on the weekends as well. All right, so we just went through how to use the NFX app. So you're going to set up your account. You're going to look up your binary broker. So when it comes to your binary broker, your Forex brokers, first thing I would recommend is go to your sponsor and ask them which ones they use. We cannot on a live webinar give any sort of recommendations. If your sponsor doesn't know, you could reach out to somebody else and ask them what they use, okay? That way you could pick up their referral link. These companies, they actually pay people to refer their business. So it only makes sense to go get somebody's referral link. Otherwise, the company's just going to keep the money themselves. So you want to fund your account. Typically, brokers, the easiest way to fund it is Bitcoin. So you don't have to deal with your bank. You don't have to deal with a credit card getting rejected because, it might be crypto related. So Bitcoin is generally the best way to fund your account. You're going to get those push notifications to tell you that trade alerts come in. You're also going to get a push notification to say that the target price is approaching. You check the expiry time, you enter, and you profit. All right, so here are our binary educators, Chris German and Haresh, Sniper H and the real binary master. So there are NFX educators that are also from the Lion's Den. If you want to get these sessions, if you want to go live sessions with them and learn more from them, you either have to get the NFX add-on. So if you're like on the bronze package, silver, you can go and get NFX as an add-on. Or if you go to the prime package, you get all of the education products that the company offers. Plus you can get those scalping sessions with Rashila. So that is it. I hope you guys learned a lot from this session. Like I said, there's so much ways to make money with this team and with this company. So you're in the right place. And like I said, this is a company that we built during a pandemic. We were all home on our computers building a business. It was absolutely phenomenal that in a time where, you know, there's so much crisis in the world, we were actually making money. It is pandemic proof. It is recession proof. It is an amazing business model that you can do from your home or remotely. So like I said, you guys are in the right place at the right time. Don't let this, don't let it go. It doesn't matter how busy you get in your life. The markets are open 24 hours a day. Find some time to do it. It's going to absolutely change your life. So with that said, we're going to get prepared for another webinar here in about half an hour. So everybody, thank you for your time. If you want, you can always reach out to Rashila or myself if you have any questions, because we don't have too much time to do Q&A here, but I appreciate you all attending. Hopefully you learned something. Drop some value in the Lion's Den in the chats. Let them know how much you enjoyed this session, and we will talk to you soon. Thank you very much. Take care.
See you on the next call, guys.
Bye-bye.